All right, it's one day before Thanksgiving, 2016, so it's November 23rd. We're here at the Surgery Center of Viera. We just finished a 3-level lumbar decompression instrument infusion with interbody cages infusion, pedicle screws and rods. And we came out of the operating room about 2.5 hours ago, right?
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
I feel awesome. You know what I mean? After the surgery.
Yep.
You know what I mean? I can walk. I mean, I can do everything that I could normally do with the walker for now.
You can do more than walking, can't you?
Yes,
All
I can.
right, so this is going to be our first patient who actually dances with his wife after a 3-level lumbar fusion. All right, let's see it.
All right. Take it slowly.
Wait, they want a picture of you.
Yeah, right.
Not a picture of me.
3-level lumbar fusion, 2.5 hours ago, just came out of the operating room and ready to go.